In the realm of cybersecurity, persistence refers to an attacker's skill in eluding detection while exploiting vulnerabilities, extracting data, and jeopardizing the security of your organization. It's like having an unwanted guest who stays hidden while exploiting vulnerabilities, stealing sensitive information, and undermining its defenses. Domain persistence refers to maintaining unauthorized access within an Active Directory environment. Active Directory, an essential component of many organizational networks, serves to manage user accounts, permissions, and access controls, making it an attractive target for attackers looking to establish persistence. Let's briefly introduce the techniques we will be discussing in this module. Golden Ticket Attack. The Golden Ticket Attack involves perpetrators employing deceptive means, utilizing counterfeit authentication tickets to access any targeted network, thereby obtaining virtually unrestricted entry. Tickets are created through manipulating Active Directory's trust relationship, giving the system the impression that an attacker is the legitimate user. Second, Silver Ticket Attack. Silver tickets are another facet of domain persistence, a stealthy method used by attackers to maintain access without arousing suspicion. These tickets grant access to specific resources within the network and can be created by exploiting vulnerabilities or stealing crucial information. Third, Skeleton Key Attack. The Skeleton Key Attack is an underhanded way cyber adversaries can install a master password onto one or more domain controllers to set up an access point to any account in their domain while permitting those affected by their actions to maintain their original passwords, making this threat particularly hard to spot. In the upcoming sections, we will tackle each of these domain persistence techniques individually. We will provide a comprehensive understanding of how attackers employ them, the potential implications for your organization, and most importantly, actionable strategies to strengthen your defenses.